Welcome to the fascinating world of pasta production. From humble ingredients like flour and water, we create one of the world's most beloved foods. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into the industrial process of making pasta. The first step in pasta production is mixing the ingredients. The mixture typically consists of semolina flour and water, but some recipes may call for the addition of eggs or other ingredients. The ingredients are mixed together to form a dough, which is then kneaded to develop the gluten in the flour. The dough is then allowed to rest for a period of time to allow the gluten to relax and the moisture to distribute evenly throughout the dough. This resting period is critical for producing a high-quality pasta dough. To mix the ingredients, large-scale pasta producers use a mixing machine. These machines have a large container where the ingredients are combined, and powerful blades that knead and mix the dough. The machines are designed to mix the ingredients thoroughly and quickly, ensuring a consistent dough is produced every time. Once the dough is mixed, it is transferred to the next step in the pasta production process. Once the dough is ready, it's time to cut it into the desired shape. Cutting the dough by hand is a labor-intensive process, which is why most industrial pasta production lines use cutting machines. There are two main types of cutting machines, the rotary cutter and the static cutter. The rotary cutter uses a rotating knife to cut the pasta dough into the desired shape, while the static cutter uses a fixed knife. The pasta dough is fed through the cutting machine, and the knife slices through the dough, creating the desired shape. The pasta then moves along a conveyor belt, where it is either dried or cooked immediately, depending on the type of pasta being produced. Modern cutting machines are highly automated and can produce a wide variety of pasta shapes, including spaghetti, linguine, fettuccine, and penne. The machines can also be programmed to adjust the thickness of the pasta and the size of the cuts, ensuring that each batch of pasta is consistent in shape and size. Overall, the cutting machine step is crucial in the pasta production process, as it allows for the efficient and consistent production of pasta shapes in large quantities. Once the pasta dough has been cut, it is time to shape it into the various forms that we recognize as pasta. This step involves using specialized machines that can shape the dough in a variety of ways. One common type of machine is the extruder, which pushes the dough through variously shaped dies to create long, thin noodles such as spaghetti or linguine.
Another type of machine is the press, which uses a mold to press the dough into shapes such as farfalle, bow tie, penne, or rigatoni. There are also machines that can shape the dough into more intricate forms such as lasagna sheets, filled pasta like ravioli or tortellini, or even specialty shapes like fusilli or radiatori. Once the pasta has been shaped, it needs to be dried. The drying process is crucial to ensure the pasta retains its shape and texture. The pasta is placed on racks or trays and moved into a drying chamber. The drying time and temperature vary depending on the type of pasta being produced. During the drying process, the moisture content of the pasta is reduced to around 12%. This low moisture content ensures that the pasta can be stored for longer periods without spoiling. After the pasta has been dried, it is ready to be packaged and shipped to supermarkets or restaurants. After the pasta is dried, it's time for the packing step. The pasta is fed into an automatic packaging machine that weighs, bags, and seals the pasta in different sizes and shapes of packages. These packages can vary from small individual servings to large family-sized portions. The packaging material used for pasta is usually made of paper or plastic. The choice of packaging depends on the type of pasta being packed and the target market. For example, if the pasta is intended for export, a more durable and airtight packaging may be used to ensure the pasta arrives at its destination in good condition. Once the pasta is packed, it's ready to be labeled with its brand name, nutritional information, cooking instructions, and other relevant details. The labeling is an essential part of the packaging process, as it provides customers with the necessary information about the product they are purchasing. Finally, the packed pasta is stacked and stored in a warehouse, awaiting distribution to retail stores or shipped to customers. The distribution process can involve various modes of transportation, including trucks, trains, ships, and planes, depending on the distance and urgency of delivery. The packing and distribution steps are crucial in ensuring the pasta reaches the customer in excellent condition and retains its quality and freshness. The pasta production process is now complete, and the product is ready to be enjoyed by consumers around the world. This concludes our in-depth look into the pasta production industrial process. We hope you enjoyed learning about the various steps involved in creating one of the world's most beloved foods. If you have any comments or questions,
please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thank you for watching.